On the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, I request all the youngsters of Hyderabad and India to be regular in studying Swami Vivekananda's teachings, which has inspired Mahatma Gandhi and Abdul Kalam, Anna Hazare, and a host of other national leaders. It has inspired Babar Ali to become the world's youngest headmaster. It has inspired Hiranmay Mohanto to work for engineering students. It has inspired Sharad Babu to work for catering services in Tamil Nadu. It has inspired so many people from different backgrounds in India. It is not just the inspiration alone, the uniqueness of Swamiji is executing them in the proper manner. So, first important thing that all should respect is one's own self. The very fact that we are born as a human being after 80 million lives gives us a new value and a dignity. That life should not be wasted in thinking of suicide or thinking of any other negative actions for fulfilling or trying to escape from reality. Swamiji says, what is history? History is the story of a few men and women who had tremendous faith in themselves. That faith calls out the divinity within. The day the nation loses faith, death comes. Today we are passing through such a crisis where that faith, that inborn faith is marketed or inborn faith is trying to be sold out. One self is missing. So when the self is understood properly, we don't need a policeman at all. We don't need any laws at all. Because from inside, there will be guidance. From inside, there will be a direction. No, I am going in the wrong direction. My mind is becoming negative. I will fight for it. I will fight against the negativity, the virus in the mind. So 4 important points is what is called self-confidence. That means that inner potentiality converting into kinetic energy. It is not the container that is important, it is the content that is important, says Swami Vivekananda and other great leaders. So self-knowledge is understanding the core reality, your strength inside you, and then taking it forward as an engineer, doctor, or a lawyer. A student, if he thinks he is the spirit, will become a better student. Passions will reduce, that ego will reduce, that lack of concentration will reduce, he will become more focused, more love of knowledge. So self-knowledge creates love of knowledge also, you will respect others also. Then there's a beautiful Hindi song which I tell students everywhere, Chetana Deva ki seva karo, janma safal ho jaye. Prema pushpa se poojan kije, mana deepak tar dhyana vicharo. Think that everybody is a pot having lot of strength. Why are you searching for glass beads when there is diamonds in your heart? Bring out that diamonds from your heart out, then go and see the man suffering. May Vivekananda and other great leaders help our younger generation study Swamiji's teachings and become inspired to become a great leader of the country.